Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your name, beta?
My name is Vishnupriya Rajeshwar Pawar,
Very good. Which class?
UKG.
UKG. Now today is this year UKG. Okay. What is silver?
Silver is a precious metal.
What is the chemical symbol of silver?
The chemical symbol of silver is AU. AG.
What is color of silver?
The color of silver is a shiny white.
Is silver a metal or non-metal?
Silver is a non-metal. Metal.
Metal ki non-metal?
Metal.
Shabash. Does silver conduct electricity?
Silver is a
Conduct. Yes.
yes.
मला सांग सिल्वर चे काय कंडक्टिव्हिटी आहे का? डज सिल्वर कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
Yes.
Silver
Silver
is
is the
good conductor.
good
of
conductor
electricity.
of
तर लाईट जाते का भाई सिल्वर मधून?
yes.
जाते ना?
हाँ,
हो का? डज सिल्वर रस्ट?
Yes. No. Gold does not rust.
रस्ट
Gold नाही rust.
सिल्वर
Silver
सिल्वर इज नॉट
not rust.
रस्ट म्हणजे काय? गंजणी
गंजणी.
गंजते का ती?
नाही.
शाबाश. व्हेर इज सिल्वर फाउंड?
Silver found in rocks and mines.
शाबाश. रॉक एंड माइन. कॅन सिल्वर बी रिसायकल्ड?
Yes. Can be recycled.
सिल्वर कॅन
Can be recycled.
पूर्ण
Silver
परत
can
म्हण.
be recycled.
शाबाश. व्हॉट इज द atomic number of silver?
The atomic number of silver is 47.
Good. Which country produce the most silver in the world?
Mexico.
Produce
Produce
the most silver. Production.
most
पण मेक्सिको देश कुठल्या खंडामध्ये? Which continent located in Mosquito? Mexico.
Mexico,
North America.
North America.
How many countries in include North America?
23.
And how many countries in South America continent?
12.
Some name tell me about South America continent. Brazil,
Brazil.
Peru,
Peru.
Venezuela. सांग ना.
Venezuela.
हा.
Chile.
Chile,
Chile.
Argentina.
Argentina.
Okay. मला सांग बेटा, what is gold?
Gold is a precious metal.
What is the chemical symbol of gold?
The chemical symbol of gold is AU.
Gold is yellow in color. What is gold used
Gold
for?
is-
Wait. Biggest live